this is the last time we're doing this. Okay, so let's see about, yeah, take it off. Good work, okay. Did it get stuck? Okay, good. This is what we practiced today so he could get iPad, okay?
No, I'm not.
No. Hey, just finish up your work. Don't worry about it. Just take it off.
All
Okay.
of it.
Yeah, not all the way, but yeah, all of it, yeah. Or unbuckle it, that's what I mean. Okay, unbuckle it. You don't have to do the buttons, just unbuckle it all the way. Unbuckle it, yeah. Okay, now let's buckle it again. Hard work. Okay, good stuff. Okay, now let's see if we can get the second part. Okay, now, remember, if you do it really hard, then it doesn't work. So it needs to be gentle. Put your hand on it and pull it. No, it's okay. No, put it on this, on this. On a buckle, just on a buckle. Put your hands on a buckle right here, and then pull this part gentle. Pull this back. See, you did it. Okay, no, you can't do it sitting down, buddy.
It can.
Why is it easier sitting down? You see your stomach better?
It's not easier standing because of the my hip. One of my hips hurt.
One of your hips hurt?
I need
Is
to
it just
go.
because it hurts me and now you're making it up? Okay, I think, what did mommy say? A corner first. Add a corner. Put a corner in first.
No, the entire thing.
And, okay, you can try the entire thing, but that's not going to work, but corner. Put a corner in first. You know what the biggest issue is? You are super stubborn, dude. So if mama says, look, nice. See how that corner worked? Nice. Okay, and the last one. You good. Yeah, that's where you hold on. Hold on right there and pull. Yeah. Oof, you're working so hard on that.
I don't know how to do
Yeah,
it.
right there. You're holding it right now. Yeah, you're holding on that. Okay, mommy will help with this. Look. You actually did it. You don't need anything.
No,
You did it. You pulled it. So let's put it in. Last one.
And then I'm gonna take the phone.
Then you're gonna have your iPad. You can have your iPad. Oops.
And then you're gonna put it in through here.
Okay, no, you can't. It doesn't go that far. Okay, go. Let me
Actually,
see.
it does.
Okay, let's get through the last one. Nope, I'm not gonna do it for you. If you wanna,
I'm gonna do it sitting down.
are you gonna do it sitting down? Think it's easier like that? I don't think it's easier like that, buddy. I think
It
it would
is
be better
easier
if
like
you got
that.
up. Okay, again, it's gonna be the corner thing.
No, not the other corner.
Yeah, it could be the other corner. You're right.
This
I
corner.
think you got yourself a hole in your pants because you were pulling it so hard. Okay, go. Okay, you're almost there, buddy. If you get up, you can do it. Okay, let's put it in. Put it through.
The whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah. But one corner at a time.
No, I'm
You're
gonna have to
doing-
do it this way.
Okay, that corner is fine. You are so stubborn that you're standing in your own way, buddy. Okay, you're almost there. This is what Motivation iPad does. Okay, almost ready for dinner. We're 4 minutes into this buckling up of, but you're almost there, Nina. Almost there.
Starting.
Okay, nice. You're one persistent dude, buddy.
No,
That's
I
excellent.
can't.
Yes, you can. You're almost there. I see it. I see you. Nope, nobody will help. Nope, this is a job you have to do, buddy.
No, I
Nobody
need
will
to
let-
take this belt off.
No, no belt off. If you want to have your iPad later, then you have to get that done, buddy.
And then I
You've
have to take
already
the
done
belt
it
off.
several times. Now you have to
And I
just
have to take the
practice.
belt off.
Yeah, we can take it off later, but we need a belt.
No, I
Is
don't need it
almost
now.
done? Okay, you did it. You did it. You almost did it. You almost did it. I see half of it in. I see it. I see it. I see it. Almost in. Almost in. Oh, you just got yourself a hole from pulling it. But it's okay. No, it's okay. Pull, pull, pull. Yeah, you did it!
No, I'm gonna take the belt off.
5 minutes and 20 seconds.
No, I'm gonna take the belt off.
You can take the belt off now, but that was good.
All
Good
the
timing,
way,
dude.
all the way.
Oh, all the way? No, I wouldn't take it all the way off because your pants are gonna go off.
No, I want it off because it's tight.
Okay, you can take it off. Okay, but then you're gonna have to put it on later on, and then that's gonna take 10 minutes or longer. Okay, I think you're just kind of mad at your belt. Are you mad at your belt? Mucky, that is quite loud. Okay. Okay.
I don't want the
Did
belt.
it. You don't have to have the belt. Okay, how about a kiss?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.